Hello guys, welcome to this another video, and in today's video I want to share an app that's going to pay you $12 per hour PayPal Cash. So furthermore, stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches you exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So hit the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell, because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, feel free to give me thumbs up. And if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, one more thing, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, so today I'm talking about the app that's called spare5.com, and I leave a link in the description of this video so you can go through there. And that's just like the name suggests, you spare 5 of your minute and you can earn some pretty easy cash. I think doing something pretty simple tasks, and some of those tasks could involve you like calling up hotels and asking them if they have like hot water service, or you could be like outlining things in photos to take out other images from those photos. So if you're looking over here on the left side, they're saying like earn money in your spare time with their free web and mobile apps. So they got this on the mobile as well as the web, so you can have it on your desktop or your laptop. And with this thought, they don't have guys Android app right now just yet, so that's a downside of this app right there, is you can get it from Android phone. So give a try, it gets starting doing some small tasks in your free time on your PC or your Mac with web tasks. So guys, you can sign up with Facebook or Google or LinkedIn, or you can sign up with your email. And with this guys, they are available in like 100 countries, so this is pretty much a worldwide opportunity, so anybody can join this. But guys, unfortunately they only use PayPal right now for getting payments. So I'm sorry, you cannot use this particular application or service if your country does not support PayPal. But there is also another way you can make money online. So guys, how this all works? So you pretty simple, you sign up and they give you tasks and you do the tasks and you get paid, and they need your PayPal account to collect your cash. So in order to get paid, you need a PayPal account to collect your cash, and then they send out to the payments once each week every Friday. So it's really simple, sign up and get some tasks, do some tasks and get paid. And I was looking around some surveys and they were saying that some of the tasks aren't available all the time, so that might be an issue for some of you guys. So there might be a test that you particularly like, like maybe you like calling up hotels and asking them if they want a hot water and getting paid for that, but it's not always gonna be available, so you have to consider them. So the tasks, what they are like, so they have wide variety of tasks, focus on deriving the meaning of or providing human insight into audio, video or is image file. So look at here, it says assess language, tell us about the tone, meaning, context or attitude of a conversation, or simply context on an audio file. So you can annotate images. So you will draw bounding boxes around various elements in an image and describe what were in a photo. And then you have an isolate elements, which is to find the edges of an object to help computers see what you see. And lastly, you provide keywords, help company to develop algorithm to learn what a photo is all about. It's pretty cool, and most of people are pretty excited about this one. So it got some decent reviews. So they provide their tags for XP or Microsoft or GoPro. So big names. And let's see what this all about.
I started using Spare 5 because I liked the concept of machine learning and that I could be the person on the other side of that, teaching a computer. I've been using Spare 5 for about 6 months now, usually a few times a week, in the evening primarily after I've gotten home from work and had dinner and everything. Then I'm just hanging out on the couch and using Spare 5. My niche is the fashion tasks, which is primarily.
So guys, basically they are working with the big brands like Microsoft, GoPro, IBM, Pinterest, you name it. So it's a really legitimate company. You can surely check it out, and I leave a link in the description of this video. So here it is guys. You can sign up with Facebook and Google and LinkedIn and get started with this. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, $100 a day online, if you want to generate $100 a day online, and this is what I'm doing, so check out the link below in the description of this video, my #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home. So if you're interested on this, click the first link in the description of this video. And if you like my video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, make sure you do. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and have a nice day.